Hello everybody, another day and another day back working on my 78 Eldorado with the 425 Cadillac big block engine. Well, to go over what's happened so far, I've removed the water pump because I'm changing out the water pump, and to get the water pump out you have to remove the radiator, and that's where I am right now. Boy, the reality of these little jobs that you think is going to be a little job, most likely and usually turns out to be a bigger than expected ordeal. So now that I have the radiator out, I should probably send the radiator, and there's no leaks in it and the cooling system was working fine, but since I have it out, well, I should probably send it off and have it hot tanked and cleaned. And now I'm not going to be running the air conditioning in this car. The AC system needs a complete replacement and overhaul. So I should, I'm at the point where I guess I should take out the condenser radiator here for the air conditioning. Now's probably the time to remove it and not put it back in again. And now my next question is, do I keep the air pump? There's the air pump down there. The car is so old and we don't have emission testing anymore up here, and I don't need to keep the air pump on it. The catalytic converter has already been removed on this car. So my next thought would be, well, probably now's the time to remove the air pump. And there's a couple of ports, one on each cylinder head, that would have to, where that steel tube is, that crossover tube, that could be removed, and those ports would have to be plugged up on the cylinder heads. And this solenoid here, if you could see it, there we go. All of that system would be removed, and that air pump down there on the bottom, and that would be one less pulley belt to replace, because I'm going to replace all the belts anyways. Well, so that's where I am right now. Probably my next step is going to be, I think that will be it for today, but I'll be coming back down here and I'll have to clean up the engine compartment and clean up the engine and degrease it, and cleaning up the mating surfaces. I'll take the valve covers are off, they're just sitting on there, but I'll take them off and clean them and paint them, and put the water pump on and paint that before I put it on, and clean up the front of the engine and paint that area, and take out some nuts and bolts and clean them and put them back in. So you could see how quickly one thing leads to another, and that's where I am today on this build. So just wanted to show you. It's not the most exciting video, but anybody doing or considering this kind of repair, this is what you could expect. To remove the water pump, you had to take the radiator out because there just isn't enough room. It's easy enough to do, but here it is. And that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.